Are you bored, tired, frustrated from your daily tensions, day-to-day activities and work pressures? Before you rip out your hair from the burnout of your day-to-day tensions, watch this video. Are you looking for a relaxing and rejuvenating resort to refresh yourself? Presenting Kamath Nature Resort, the only one-of-a-kind nature resort near Mumbai. Visit kamath.residency.com for more details. Or call 9869279937 to get free information about your vacation. The resort is located just 2 hours from Mumbai and Pune at Konkan Raigarh, the scenic capital of Maharashtra. Firstly, we serve the most tastiest and fresh food you have ever had at any resort near Mumbai. The resort is spread over 5 acres of lush greenery, loaded with a lot of huge trees, a huge open space and natural surroundings for you to roam around. We offer a lot of in-house adventure activities for you like rappelling, rock climbing, air rifle shooting, archery, rain dancing and music. To get more information on how you can spend quality time with your family, call 9869279937 or visit www.kamath.residency.com. You can enjoy whitewater rafting nearby the resort, jet ski at the nearest Kolar Adventure Zone, have a thrilling jumbo ride experience. Our in-house resort facilities include a beautiful swimming pool for you and your family to splash in. Stay in one of our 40 air-conditioned rooms. Speak to Kaviraj on 9869279937 now and he will tell you how you can have a wonderful vacation with your family. Visit more than 10 sightseeing places. Go for a jungle trek to the waterfalls. Visit the historic Raigarh Fort and discover the history of the greatest warrior in the world, Shri Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Alibor Beach is just 36 km away. You can also visit Nuru Jangira Fort, which is the only fort Shivaji Maharaj could not conquer. The famous Pali Ganesh Mandir is just 11 km from our resort. Visit the famous Karnala Bird Sanctuary, with conferencing facilities for corporates. They say what nobody heals, nature repairs. A relaxing break helps you get perspective in life. A walk in the scenic nature-laden path refreshes your mind and body like nothing else. A calm day spent doing nothing rests your brain and soothes your body, helping you spend quality time with your loved ones. Take a swing with your darling in nature. Get your energy back. Thank you for watching the video. Call 098692799937 to get more details or visit www.kamath.residency.com.